Yo, salut à toutes et à tous, c'est les gars, c'est Louis, j'espère que vous allez bien. On se retrouve aujourd'hui pour l'épisode 6 de The Legend of Heroes, Charles of Cold Steel. Donc là, on est avec Ryan, maintenant on est en équipe avec Laura et Alisa. Là, on va juste explorer ce qu'il y a ici. Ok, c'est quoi cette chambre? This truly is the very image of a commoner's lodging. I mustn't complain though. Having shelter from the elements is all I should be asking for. Et ici, il y a quoi? Rien. Alors, c'est où on doit y aller? Je peux parler avec les citoyens. Ah, elle mange. The food here really is as good as they say. Things are going well on the business front too, so my name will be spreading like wildfire soon enough. Instructrice Sarah. Qu'est-ce qu'elle boit? Oh mon dieu, non, elle va pas commencer. Oh, arrête de boire des boissons comme ça, c'est pas bon. Ça se voit bien, hein, alors qu'il ne faut pas. Ça se voit qu'elle en a bu 10. Tu crois quoi? Oh la gênance.
I'm glad they're not as difficult as I was expecting, but they're just so...
Well, it makes sense you'd have some doubts. You only need to do the ones it says are required, though. Feel free to just ignore the rest if you want. I don't care. It's up to you how much or how little you want to do.
Stop being so irresponsible
And quoi?
Wait. These kinds of decisions are as much a part of our field study as the tasks themselves.
Oh, what?
What?
What do you mean?
Je sais pas moi. Qu'est-ce qui est drôle?
You have 2 days.
Ah bah on a du temps.
Trista isn't far from here, so you'll be returning to the academy tomorrow evening. Until then, you can spend your time here however the four of you see fit. Every decision rests on your shoulders. I won't be forcing you to do a thing.
Okay, so what's up? You have this look in your eyes, like you pieced something together. Qu'est-ce que tu racontes, Elliot? Well, does this relate in some way to our free day this past week? Specifically to your activities during that time? Yeah, now that you mention it, exactly. I spent this past free day doing various tasks on behalf of the student council. And well, one of them did involve going back into that old schoolhouse. The rest were just simple requests for assistance from the locals. In other words, exactly the sort of things we've been asked to do here. And by the time I've taken care of everything, I felt like I learned a lot about Trista in the academy. So I think we've been given similar tasks here for a similar reason. That would definitely make sense. I mean, all I know about Celtic is what I read. There's probably a lot we can learn by actually coming here and helping people out like this. Indeed, the land of Erebor is quite vast. This may be an invaluable opportunity to gather local knowledge of a place we may otherwise never have visited. Yeah, exactly. So whatever various and sundry things Instructor Sarah may have planned for us, I say we just work our way down the list while immersing ourselves in Celtic culture, taking it as much as we can. Pourquoi tu réfléchis? Sounds good to me. Count me in. Heh, this actually sounds pretty exciting when you put it that way. Shall we depart then? During field study periods, the party is assigned a variety of tasks to complete, much like on Ring's free days. Je lis pas, hein, j'ai la flemme. Alors, on a des quêtes, des trucs reliés à l'histoire. Excuse me, are you Father Zerbel? That's correct. And you would be— oh, I see you. Must be the student who will be helping with my request. That's us. We came here from Thor's Military Academy. I suspected as much. Thank you for taking the time to come and speak with me. I'd like to request that you collect the ingredients I need to make some medicine. Do you have the time to do this request for me? We're ready to help. My thanks. Can I ask what sort of these ingredients will be used? Ah non, j'ai dit ingrédients, j'avais cru que c'était des ingrédients. C'est des médicaments. It's essentially medicine to deal with the common cold by strengthening the body's immune system. Many people tend to catch it during spring and fall, when the temperature switches between hot and cold, you see. This is why I ended up running out in the first place. Oh, that makes sense. I've had to rely on the church for medicine a bunch of times too. Definitely made my life easier, haha. Agreed, we owe much to the vast amount of medical knowledge that the church possesses. We really do, especially since pharmaceutics still can't compare to it. You students certainly know your stuff. Getting back on track, there are two types of ingredients I want you to collect for me. The first is a medicinal plant known as a bear claw, which grows in humid areas. It's not common to find them growing in Celtic, but you can still get them at the Grand Market. There is a drugstore run by a man named Flint. Tell him that I sent you. I'll note that down. The other ingredient I need is imperial carrots. You can get these from a farmer named Paul who lives in the farmhouse on the West Celtic Highway. Again, simply tell him that I sent you and he should share some with you. Understood. That should be it. Then, is there anything you would like me to go over again? No, that's fine. Which of our two destinations should we make our way first? Doesn't seem like it matters either way. Yeah, I agree. We'll be off then, Father. I will be awaiting your return. C'est parti, on a une quête à faire. Alors, c'est où on doit y aller pour chercher tout ce qu'on a. Cours, Réré, cours! That happens to be our guardhouse. Entrance to the public is strictly off limits. Please excuse us. Oh, mais on peut pas y aller, je savais pas, moi. Et là, on est où? Là, on arrive au marché, là. Ouais. Oh, il y a un grand marché, hein. Wow. Hi, brother. Yo, what the hell, bro? Wow, look at all the people here. Yeah, it really is busting. I guess there's a reason people come from all over to visit it. Look over there, there's even someone performing. I could see myself spending hours here. T'as juste t'adores la musique. I see no harm in taking this opportunity to shop as long as it's done in the process of completing our field study tasks. Yeah, it would be a waste not to see what all this town has to offer. We'll just have to make sure not to get carried away.
Wow, check out all these stalls.
I'm a farmer, you see, so I'm here to sell my produce off to one of the merchants here. Guy's called Lyman, and we've got a solid business relationship. That's Guy too, always giving out freebies and stuff. Welcome, anything specific you're looking for? This must be the store that Father Zerbol mentioned. We're here on behalf of Father Zerbol, actually. He asked us to come here to collect a bear claw from you. Oh, is that so? Here you go then. Let's go! On a eu quelque chose. Thank you, sir. I'm surprised at how thorny this is, though, considering it's a medicinal herb. Its resemblance to a bear's claws is where it gets its name from after all. Unrelated, but my supply of them happens to come from the library. They were flown into Heimdall, where I had them sent along by train. Wow, really? Guess it just goes to show how much of a big deal this market is. Yeah, there really is a bunch of unusual stuff here. The market's popularity is well justified. Well, then we should make our way to the farmhouse on the Western Highway next. Yeah, let's get this over with quickly. Ici c'est fait, maintenant c'est où je dois y aller. C'est où je dois y aller pour chercher cette ferme. On va y aller partout, chercher une ferme. Comme si c'est là où on doit y aller. Ici, non. Hein, y'a quoi ici? Non, on cherche la ferme, pas un truc de l'histoire. C'est quoi? Ah, mais qu'est-ce que je fais là-bas? Je vais à la station de train alors que c'est pas nécessaire. Alors c'est où cette ferme? Oh non, j'ai oublié que je peux pas y aller là-bas. Mais je suis bête ou quoi aujourd'hui? Réré, concentre-toi. C'est ça, non. C'est pas une ferme, c'est un restaurant. Ok, on n'a pas trouvé cette ferme. Ok. Pourquoi je suis allé là-bas direct? Wow, c'est un restaurant. Si. Ah bah non, c'est le. Oh là, on devait rester au cas où il fait nuit. Coucou instructrice. Like I said, it's up to you kids to decide how to handle things. On voulait juste savoir comment tu vas, c'est comme ça tu nous parles. Vas-y, j'ai la flemme d'écouter le reste. Oh, s'il vous plaît, arrêtez. Ok, on sort. Je savais pas que c'était qu'on allait là. C'est quoi ici? Celtic Chapel. C'est quoi un chapelle? Ah mais non, c'est le truc là d'où on est allé. Y'a quoi ici? Les portes. Mhm. Mhm. Ah, non. On trouve pas cette ferme. C'est où la ferme? Hmm. Ouais, je sens que je me gratte un peu. Mais ça va. On ne trouve pas cette ferme. Ferme, c'est même pas affiché à la carte. Donc on va y aller là-bas. Hum. Welcome, this is the shop's Orbital Factory. Oh, you wouldn't happen to be students from Thor's, would you? That's correct, we're here in regards to your request. It involved replacing in the ornament light and the road lamp on the highway, right? Could we ask for the details? Sure, let's get right to it. As you read, one of the road lamps on the western highway stopped working the other day. And the cause of that is the ornament light inside it breaking. So basically, I want you all to go switch the broken ornament light a new one. Speaking of which, here you go. So all that's required of us is to replace the broken one with this then? Yep, that's about the size of it. So where exactly on the western highway is it? Once you're on the highway, keep heading not north until you can see a place called Lunaria Nature Park. Okay. $466,515. Got it. On est y allé. Ah mais non, j'oublie toujours que c'est la station de train. Ok. Je sais pas quoi faire. Vas-y, on va d'abord chercher cette ferme là car on ne le trouve pas. Oh, j'ai pas de... Oh, mais j'ai pas assez de Mira. Mais frère, j'en ai combien alors? Je crois que c'est mieux si je discute avec tout le monde pour voir si c'est eux à trouver. Non, c'est pas eux. Non.
Nishi? I admit it has a certain charm.
De quoi tu parles? Un touriste. Carré. Non. J'appuie plus au même bouton. Il y a quelqu'un qui est absent aujourd'hui. Quelqu'un qui est absent aussi.
Oh, the lace at that stall has a really pretty design.
Non. Non, ils ne savent pas où aller pour aller trouver cette ferme. Donc moi je sais pas quoi faire. Western Highway. Est-ce qu'on doit sortir pour aller le trouver? What? On est allé où?
All these windmills sure make the town feel pretty laid back.
Yo, on est où là?
True, this scenery is surprisingly relaxing.
Est-ce qu'on va devoir se fight? Vas-y, on va faire un combat. Bon bah fallait qu'on passe là-bas hein, depuis tout ce temps.
All challengers.
Moi c'est que je veux voir c'est les attaques de Laura et Alisa.
My
Hein.
turn.
Craft, c'est ça sert à quoi ça?
Turn to flames.
What the? Hey yo! Je suis un peu... Wesh, c'est comme ça que tu cries quand tu... Wesh! Pourquoi t'as fait ça, rien? T'as donné un coup d'épée à Elliot.
Arcus activate. My turn.
What? Ça c'est une épée grande, Laura.
Shatter.
Wesh! Le coup de ouf.
Right. Here we go.
Allez.
It's my turn.
My turn.
S-break? C'est quoi? Oh mon dieu! Oh!
Radiant breakdown.
Wouh!
You still have a lot of training to do.
Le combat est terminé. Le S-break. Un coup spécial comme si on est dans Super Smash Bros. Ok, c'est quoi ça? Aucune idée. Hey yo! Vas-y, on va se fight encore.
Enemy sighted. Take him out.
Allez, c'est parti les potos. Tout le monde.
Up, everyone.
Keep it up everyone. Comment ça, Alisa, elle a réussi de esquiver? Alors les arts. Les arts, on n'a pas utilisé. Ça. Non, let's pas go. Oh,
I'm sorry, everyone.
y a déjà un qui est dead.
This could be bad.
Non, pas rien avec ta meilleure amie. Repose un peu.
Wasn't strong enough.
Qu'est-ce que...
My turn.
Regarde ce que ton Réré Alisa peut faire.
There. Now's our chance.
Boum. Et boum.
Nicely done, Elisa.
J'attendais pas à voir une victoire comme ça. Une victoire de couple et un couple. En plus un check. Y a quoi ici? Ou un coffre? A treasure chest. Alors c'est où cette ferme? Alors on doit passer par là ou non? Je crois qu'on va passer par ici. Un autre coffre. Avant. Objet. Je vous. Ok, on les a guéris maintenant. Hey yo, y'a quoi ici?
Oh, a treasure chest.
Où tu vois un coffre? What? Non, 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 non. Je m'attendais pas à avoir deux. Attends, où t'as vu un coffre, Elliot? Ah, ok. Non, je crois pas qu'on va le prendre. Ah bah, on s'est fait attraper, donc on va se fight.
Watch out, guys.
Non, pas nécessaire. On commence déjà à viser une fille, c'est pas gentil ça.
Of course.
Laura ne rigole pas avec ses coups d'épée, hein. Ou Réan, tu rigoles pas, hein. Boum. Un dead.
My turn. Hi. Fool.
Ouh, l'esquive.
I can do this. Fire! That takes care of them.
Ah ouais, tu fais ta belle maintenant. Qui a level up?
I did it.
Ah bah Elliot, il est le seul maintenant qui est au niveau 8.
Oh, a treasure chest.
Il y a un problème, Elliot. Yes.
My turn. There.
Boum.
Go.
93. T'appelles ça beaucoup, Alisa? Non. Ouais, tu gères bien Réan des coups maintenant.
My turn.
It's my turn.
Réalé. What the hell?
Of course. Give it up, everyone.
Come on, everyone!
I can do this.
Tu crois? Qu'est-ce qu'elle nous a fichu? Mais pourquoi? Pourquoi tu attaques Laura? C'est ta camarade, de petit fou. Réan, t'es vraiment en train de perdre la tête aujourd'hui. Oh, arrêtez de viser une fille, c'est pas gentil ça. Et on ne peut pas utiliser. Et donc on va utiliser ça.
Turns of flame.
Ouais, tu gères pas Lisa, hein, tu sais rien gérer. Toi rien, faut arrêter de taper tes coéquipiers, t'es bête.
My turn. Evil will fall before my blade.
Let's go baby, let's go brother. Là c'était pas nécessaire de le faire car on avait pris le coffre. Bon bah, let's go, here we go. Ok.
Now's our chance. Let's get him. Go.
It's my turn. Now.
Allez, boum.
Right.
Non, je peux utiliser les briques.
Of course. Hey! You still have a lot of training to do.
Tout ce que tu penses c'est à l'entraînement toi. Réré à level up. Mhm. Ah bah c'est ça la ferme. This must be the form that put out that monster exclamation request. Should we go inside and ask for more details? Yeah, we might as well. Certainly that isn't just wandering around blindly till we find the thing. We're here so now's as good a time as any to introduce ourselves and ingratiate ourselves to the locals, I guess. On y va. Oh, on y va.
Wow, this farmhouse is huge.
Tu crois?
Oh, look at the cows.
Ah bah, comparez-moi. Tes cheveux, Elliot, t'as les cheveux d'une vache. Il est là. Hello, would you happen to be Cyro? We're here to take care of the monster that's causing issues here. As such, we'd like some further details on it. Oh, you are. I'm the man you're looking for then. While I didn't know that it would be students taking care of it, I wasn't aware that you had young ladies in your company. T'as des problèmes quand il y a des filles avec des garçons ou quoi? C'est à cause de l'instructrice Sarah s'ils sont avec nous. Allez, on va se balader. Y'a un ennemi? Attends. Y'a quoi ici? Je crois que ça, il y a toujours le logo de la quête. Attends, voyons voir. Vas-y. What the?
I can do this.
Enemy sighted! Take him out!
Allez, 3 contre 4, vous êtes foutus. Vas-y. Ah bah là c'était une meilleure idée, comme ça maintenant c'est un 1 contre 4. Boum.
I can do this. Turn to flames. Burn! Now!
Nicely done, Elisa.
Same to you. That was great.
Et hop là. Un check d'amis, pas un check de couple. Mieux ça.
My turn, of course.
Here we go!
Allez Réré. On va passer par ici. Ah mais non. On est passé prendre la mauvaise direction. Fallait tout là-bas. Et oui, je suis un peu bête. Attends, je dois y aller. Ouais, j'ai compris où y aller. Coucou les vaches. Waouh. Il fait quoi cet oiseau? It looks like we're not getting past through while that thing's around. I don't think it'll go down with a fight. No doubt. And I'm pretty sure it's not going to let us sneak up on him from behind. That does pose a problem then. We're left with no choice but to overwhelm it through sheer force.
I welcome all challengers.
What?
Here we go! Behold, my most powerful strike!
Radiant blaze dance.
Go!
Je joue ou il y en avait qui vient de s'apparaître?
I can do this.
My turn.
Ouh, l'esquive!
My turn. Arcus activate.
Mais rien, tu gères à esquiver, toi!
It's my turn. Now.
Hop là!
Here we go.
Bah, ce combat n'est pas si dur à ce qu'on a pensé. Elle aussi, elle peut gérer les esquives. Oh, mais rien, tu te fais humilier, toi! Ok, alors, où on était? Ah oui. Voilà.
Here we go.
En même temps.
My turn.
Le dernier coup.
Oh, we did it.
Et on a deux qui viennent de level up. Je me demande c'est qui. Ah bah c'est Alisa
I've only just begun.
et Laura. Ok, carré. Maintenant on peut passer. Amazing. Laura really is the strongest student in our year, huh? Our stage style combat is even more impressive in person than I imagined. I appreciate the compliment, but I still have a long way to go before I'm fully proficient in this technique. I'm also quite confident the rest of you are fully capable of. What's wrong? Oh, it's nothing. We still have much work to do. Come, we should be moving on. You're right. Y'a quoi ici? Ou un coffre?
Transcontinental Railroad, huh? Guess that'll take you out of the country.
Je vais faire juste une petite sauvegarde.
Yeah. If you keep on heading east, you'd eventually reach Gorelia Fortress.
Allez, un autre combat.
Bring it on.
Wesh, on commence déjà?
Of course.
turn.
Allez, tout le monde. Eliati va gérer la situation.
Keep it up, everyone.
Ça, c'est ce qu'on appelle le mot gérer. Et ben non, parce qu'il y a déjà un qui est dead. Rest in peace, Serene.
Now, an opening. Right. Off guard. I've got you.
Déjà. No, I'm so sorry.
I can't. Now, an opening. My turn.
Ah,
I can do this. Now, an opening. When in
les
doubt,
filles ont géré.
You've saved me more than once too.
Non. Ryan ne peut pas se guérir lui-même. Qui me course? Personne? Oh non 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 non. Mon gars, c'est quoi ça? Pourquoi warning? Is that the monster we're looking for? It certainly seems to be. It looks pretty tough. What should we do? We don't really have any choice, do we? We have to kill it. It's causing problems for the farmers. Everyone, double check your equipment. We need to be prepared for whatever this might throw at us. Understood. Right. But toi, t'es dead. Avant, elle ne peut pas guérir. Ah non, parce qu'elle n'a pas de hippie. Et maintenant... Full HP. T'es pas full HP toi, Alisa, d'un con. Va un peu te... Voilà. Voilà, tac et tac et bon, voilà. On est prêt. C'est parti.
Watch out, this is a tough one. Here we go.
On va voir si Laura peut mettre un tas de dégâts sur lui. Oh, ça commence bien. Ah, je peux pas utiliser mon craft. Mais ce que je peux utiliser, c'est ceci.
turn to flames.
Il mange. Des enfants, what the hell? Ça commence bien.
Turn to flames.
Bruh.
My turn.
On venait de commencer le combat et on commence déjà à bien commencer. Hein. Boum. Ouais, 90 de dégâts. C'est pas I got you.
I can do this. Let's go.
Of course.
Elliot. Boum. Ah, maintenant elle sait quoi faire. Oh, il est presque dead.
My turn. Now's a chance.
C'est fini. Non. Il n'est pas dead encore. Keep it up, everyone. Ah bon, on l'a battu si vite. Qui a level up. Réré et Elliot, les boys, ont level up. Au début, je pensais que ça allait être dur, hein, puisqu'il avait beaucoup d'HP, mais non. That takes care of that. I don't know how we did it, but we won. It would have been tougher if not for the power of our combat links. I hate to admit it, but Arcus does seem to have a lot of potential. You hate to admit it? Why? Never mind that. We should go tell the people at the forum that we took care of the monster they reported. Oh yeah. Hey, I hope they're pleased. Pourquoi tu regardes Ryan comme ça, toi? Is something wrong, Laura? Ouais, je crois que quelque chose va pas bien dans sa tête. No, it's nothing. Bah pourquoi tu le regardes? Let's go. Ok. T'es vraiment bizarre un peu, Laura, hein? Pour regarder tes amis comme ça, hein? Décevante. Allez, we win. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. On va juste revenir à où on était quand on avait tué le monstre. Attends. C'est quoi cet endroit en plus? Un coffre! Let's go! If we continue traveling south from here, we'd eventually reach Berea Hard. That's pretty far out of our study area, though we should turn back. Oh bon, on peut pas y aller, c'est dommage. Allez, on doit le dire qu'on a réussi à tuer le monstre. Allez, let's go, brother. Oh, I assume you've taken care of that monster then. That's correct. Thank goodness. Thank you so much. Now we can finally begin harvesting again. I'll have to let the family know right away. You're welcome. I found myself surprised at how close this area is to Seldic, however. Wouldn't it have been much quicker to make a request to the provincial army instead? Well, it is admittedly close, but this area in Seldic as a whole really is on the very outskirts of the Cruzin province. As such, the provincial army isn't very interested in aiding us. The provincial army does basically exist for the sake of nobles, so that's not exactly hard to believe. That certainly doesn't sit well with me. I probably shouldn't say any more on the matter. However, I do still owe you all your reward for this. Please take these. Yo, merci beaucoup. Oh, that's really generous. Can we really have this much? Why, of course, we got enough to last us here as it is. After all your help, it's the least that I can do. I hope you enjoyed them. These look great, thank you. You don't get much fresher than this. I'm looking forward to digging into these. I'm rather jealous that you have the opportunity to eat such delicious food every day. That's one of the benefits of being a farmer. Unfortunately, though, it's not all good. Things have been getting tougher lately, seeing as how goods are being imported so cheaply nowadays. I wasn't aware of that. Importing's become a much easier task now thanks to the Transcontinental Railroad and international flights. Furthermore, more and more goods can now be legally imported as a result of the rising population. Come to think of it, I have noticed an increase in cheaper ingredients lately. Oh, my apologies, I shouldn't be wasting your time with all this. Regardless, you all have my thanks for today. Now we can move on to harvesting without any worries. Allow us to thank you too. We actually learned a lot from doing this request. Feel free to get in touch should anything else come up. La quête est accomplie. Ok, on va sortir. Alors, j'aimerais bien qu'on revienne. Ouais, on va revenir au Market Town. Juste pour être sûr, je prends la bonne direction? Ouais. Non. Ah voilà. Nous sommes de retour. Alors voyons voir ce qu'il y a ici. Rien de spécial. Ok, bon bah ça va être la fin pour cet épisode. J'espère que ça vous a plu. On se dit à la prochaine et ciao ciao.